This is the SIM card slot. This is the power on button. Slide for 2 seconds to power on. Slide to the camera icon. Flashing camera indicates recording is in progress. Slide to the photo icon. Video is automatically saved. Click on the photo button. The camera icon will flash once, indicating that the photo has been taken successfully. Slide to microphone icon. Can automatically record. Icon is flashing. Slide to the photo button to automatically save. Swipe the light icon to activate night vision function